Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove background from image in Google Slides. So here guys, as you can see, I have a sample image. So now in order for you to remove that background, you can just simply go to the extensions over here and select Ads On and go for Get Ads On. And you can just simply use the search bar over here at the top and search for background remover. And now you will have this one. So click on this one over here. And after that, just simply select install and just simply sign in into your account to install it. And now just simply grant an access and allow it. And now once you have done that, it will be added into your extension and you should be able to use this feature. Now, once it is done, go for the extensions, background remover, open, and just simply wait for it to load and click on start remove. And from here, just simply wait for it to process. And now guys, as you can see, it has been removed. And now you can just simply select download and it will be downloaded. And after that, you could just simply replace the background over here. And as you can see, you will now have the different background. And in order for you to set it as a background, you could just simply go ahead and select background over here at the top and choose image and just simply go ahead and drop and drag your image over here to insert it as a background and click on done. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.